Just had a section of my roof replaced by Guardian Roofing, and they were very professional. I've used them before, so they did such a good job on my garage. I wanted to take care of this part of my roof. They came out and were very professional, on time. They were quick. I didn't need to be there all the time. They were able, as a matter of fact, most of the time I wasn't there. I came home to a real nice roof. They kept everything really clean, especially afterwards. I didn't even notice that they had been there except for the dumpster that was there, and then they came and picked that up the next day. Then they had an inspector come the next day and make sure everything was really good. Guardian and I had asked them questions, and they'd get right back to me. It didn't matter how many questions I asked. They always came back quickly and professionally, and they went into the attic and covered up some vents for us. They went in back and did some inspection, replaced some boots on that needed to be. This was all part of a list for a home inspection, and they just did a big honey-do list for me and fixed everything up real nice, and it made everything look great. And so it passed his inspection, and we're good to go. So I'm really happy with their work.